Let's take some more examples to clarify the concept of implicit function. So basically, when it is given in question that we have to prove dy by dx into dx by dy is equals to 1. So sometimes these kind of questions are given to us, and this we can done with the help of implicit function. How we come to know that the question is related to that? Because it is given that x square plus 2h xy plus y square is equals to a square, right? So you can see here x and y, they are connected with each other, means we may not be able to divide these two, right? So here we can say yes, it is a case of implicit function. So let's solve this question with in order to prove dy by dx into dx by dy is equals to 1. So what we will take the derivative difference, we will take differentiation on both side. So if we will take the derivative of x square, it will gives me 2x, right? And here I will take 2hx and y. If we take 2hx and y, it means that we will apply product rule here. So how we will able to solve it? I will write it as 2hx into derivative of y with respect to x, okay, and plus y into derivative of 2hx. So derivative of 2hx is 2h, clear, and plus y square. So derivative of y square is 2y with respect to x. So I will get this value. On right hand side, we will take derivative of a square, and a being the constant one, so its derivative will be equals to 0. What I will do, I will keep these dy and dx equation on one side and shift these two equations on other side. So I have 2hx dy by dx plus 2y dy by dx is equals to minus 2x minus 2hy. Okay, I will get this. Now I will take dy by dx common. I'll take it as common. Dy by dx, what I will get? I will get 2hx plus 2y. Okay. And this is equals to minus. If I will take minus sign common, I will get this equation. So I will shift these values to other side. Dy by dx is equals to minus 2x plus 2hy divided by 2hx plus 2y, right? So in the same way, the value of dx and dy is 2hx plus 2y divided by minus 2x plus 2hy. Okay, so if you remember, it is given in the question that we have to prove dy by dx into dx by dy is equals to 1. So I can write it here, dy by dx into dx by dy is equals to 1. So we have both the values, right? So I just put the values in the formula or in the given equation, multiply with 2hx into 2y divided by minus 2x plus 2hy, right? And if I cancel it, I will get 1. I will get the value as 1. So this is equals to 1. Instead of here, I have bracket over here, right? So the minus sign can also be cancelled. So ultimately, we will prove this thing that the multiplication between dy and dx and dy is equals to 1, right? Okay, now let's take one more question of implicit functions. Like if I'll take x into root 1 plus y into root 1 plus x, this is equals to 0, right? This is, if this is the question, so what I will do, I will first of all shift this part of the equation to the right hand side. What I will get, x into root 1 plus y is equals to minus 1 into root 1 plus x. Okay, so this is my equation. So there are two ways of doing this equation. Either I will simply try to solve the question as it is, you can see on the screen. Or in order to simplify the thing, what I will do, square both sides in order to remove this under root. So if I go for squaring process, what I will get x square 1 plus y is equals to minus y square 1 plus x. Okay, so this I will get. And if now we will take differentiation on both side, so it is with respect to x, because here we have x and y, and we can't go for the process in which we can separate these two things. And on right hand side also we have y and x collectively, so we will find the derivative with respect to x. So what I will get here, we will apply product rule. I will get x square into derivative of 1 plus y with respect to x plus 1 plus y into derivative of x square is equals to, I will take minus here, I will write y square into derivative of 1 plus x plus 1 plus x into derivative of y square with respect to x. So if I will solve this, I will get x square into 1, the derivative of 1 is 0 and the derivative of y is 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 into dy by dx. Okay, so here we get 1 plus y into 2x, and on right hand side we will get y square into 1 plus 1 plus x into 2y into dy by dx. Okay, so the next step is what I will get. It is x square dy by dx plus 2x plus 2xy is equals to minus y square minus 2y dy by dx minus 2xy dy by dx. Okay, so what now, I will shift all these values which carries dy by dx on one side and remaining values on other side. X square dy by dx plus 2y dy by dx plus 2xy dy by dx is equals to, here we have plus sign, minus y square minus 2x minus 2xy. Okay, so I will take dy by dx as common. It is x square plus 2y plus 2xy is equals to, I'll take minus common, y square plus 2x plus 2xy, and the value of dy by dx is, this is equals to minus y square plus 2x plus 2xy divided by x square plus 2y plus 2xy, right? So this is my solution. Clear? So let's take one more question. Here it is given, if y is equals to root of x plus root of x plus root of x plus infinity. So we have to show that 2y minus 1 into dy by dx is equals to 1, right? So we have to prove this. Now see, this question seems to be very difficult as there are n number of roots in this question. So what we will do, leaving first root x remaining part of the equation, what we will do, we will suppose that root x plus root x plus infinity, we will suppose that this is equals to y, right? So what would be my equation now? my equation will be y is equals to root x plus y. Okay, now this seems to be very simple question, right? Now how to solve this? So in order to do calculation in a more simpler way, I will square both sides. Okay, so squaring both sides. What is my new value? This is y square is equals to x plus y. Now, this is very simple. Now, what I will take, I will differentiate both side with respect to x. Okay, so I will get 2y into dy by dx because I have differentiate it with respect to x. That's why I have written dy by dx, and derivative of x plus derivative of y with respect to x. Okay, here I get 2y dy by dx is equals to 1 plus 1 d 1 dy by dx. Okay, now shifting the values with dy by dx on one side and keeping other values on other side, I will get this equation taking dy by dx as common. So it gives me 2y minus 1 is equals to 1, right? And this what we have to prove. Now if you look at the question, it is stated that we have to show 2y minus 1 dy by dx is equals to 1. And this is my solution, or I can write it in the same way: 2y minus 1 into dy by dx is equals to 1. So, hence proved, right? I hope the concept of implicit functions is clear to you. Thank you very much.